Hey guys, finally he sleeps here. Today we're going to take a look at one of the shop tools that gets a lot of use between here at the house and over at the ZZ Wrap Shop. And that is a complete set of these big ass sockets. I know these things are huge, and if you do any kind of suspension work on the regular, and you have to get into the hub and remove axles or drums or any of that kind of stuff, a lot of people end up buying a socket, just one socket, instead of an entire kit. So today we're going to take a look at the kit we use here at the shop, and hopefully this can help you out. All right, this is our day one set. This is a 9-piece hub socket kit, and it includes everything from 29 up to 38 increments of 1 millimeter, with the exception of 37. So it's 29, 30, 31, blah, 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 all the way up to 36, and then it jumps to 38. These are heavy duty, high quality, impact ready sockets. And what they are made for specifically is that nut on the front of a front wheel drive car, to be able to remove the hub to get to the axle or drop it out to gain access to removing the rotors or whatever you have, that nut has to be removed. And we've been using this same socket set here for a while. We love this. It runs back and forth from houses to the shop. It's not something, I think, if you're using it every single day, I don't know how long it would last or they would break down, but we have had zero problems. The quality on these things are fantastic. I'm really happy with this set, and it's just one of those strange shop tools that people ask, like, well, I need a 35 millimeter socket for the front, so they'll go buy one, and you can buy the individual sockets for anywhere from 20 to 40 bucks a piece, depending upon if you're getting them local or you're ordering them, or you can pick up an entire set that you might pull out of the cabinet once every couple of years. But if you work on cars regularly, just as like a shade tree mechanic, or you're not afraid to do anything on your own vehicles, this is a kit. If you ever have to buy one socket, don't buy one, buy the entire kit. So this is our kit that we've got. Love it. Highly recommend it. Very affordable. Check it out here. I'm finally he sleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams in a world